Okay, this video we have to see about the flight instruments in design thinking based lecture. We know about what is mean of design thinking. Design thinking means it is an innovation or creation or to finding a solution of anything of will be occurred ourselves. So in flight instruments, it will be monitoring or it will be show the weather conditions or the surrounding conditions or it will be in aircraft conditions. So all it will be observed from that flight instruments to the crew member of a pilot. So basically there are the 6 type of flight instruments using in aircraft, and it will be divided into air indicators and using the operation of another set of is gyro instruments. So the 6 instruments is categorized. It's like as altimeter, turn indicator, attitude meter, heading indicator, and several types. So he will be discussed about the first type of flight instrument and what will be the empathy and what is the solution to occur why that instruments will be used in the aircraft industry.
Everyone, I'm Mani. So speaking of instrument, we can take a car example. So if we are moving at a car at any speed, we need to see at the meter how it's going. So it's work on a simple display by RPM by minutes. But if we take an aircraft, we don't have such things. So we have to measure how an aircraft will go at what speed and what hour. So speaking of, I'm going to tell brief about attitude meter. Attitude meter will denote how an aircraft has heading and how its travels are adjusted. It works by comparing the static pressure in the pivot point and the pressure in the pivot point. So,
What is mean by static pressure?
Static pressure is a pressure that already will be stored in the compressed section. So, how its work means if we go up in the atmosphere, the pressure will be gradually decreasing. So, at earth level, the static pressure will show variation. By that means we can relate how the aircraft is going up. So, that's how altimeter works.
So from the earth level, how much kilometer the altitude will be working condition?
At 21 feet.
21
feet. About 21,000 feet.
What is your instrument, other instruments?
I'm going to talk about turn indicator. Turn indicator needs how the flight is turned into, how the flight turns. Turn indicator have 3 points, main points. One is ball and needle. The needle has 2 points, right point and left point. If the needle moves to right point, the flight is moves rightwards. If the needle is less than the right point, it means the speed, the turn of the speed is less than 3 degree per second. It is the standard of turn indicator, which means 360 degree in 2 minutes. If the needle turns into left side, it turns left side, which is turning left side. If the ball indicates whether the flight is slipping or skidding.
Okay, what is the another instruments which you have to
Now I am going to explain about airspeed indicator. Airspeed indicator is also called as speedometer of the car, speedometer of the sky. It helps us the pilot to measure how the airplane is moving through the air. It is calculated by dynamic pressure. Dynamic pressure is the difference between pitted tube and the static tube. The unit is used for airspeed indicator is knots or miles per hour. For supersonic speeds, it is denoted as Mach number. It is classified into 4 types: indicated airspeed, calibrated airspeed, true speed, and the ground speed. The formula is V is equal to the whole root of 2 into P static minus P pitted divided by rho.
Okay, in that equation, what is about the name of V? So V means speed of the, yeah, it's depends upon the static pressure and pitted tube pressure. What is the principle of a pitted tube?
Bernoulli's
The name it's a Bernoulli's equation or Bernoulli's principle or a Bernoulli's equation. It is adapted for a compressible or incompressible fluid. So we have to study about any type of instruments. First, we have to know about what is the basic principle of that, and that principle is incorporated with which type of fluid. Everything we have to apply. Okay. Thank you.